this SCP, regarding this SCP, whenever we are dealing with string handling, at that time I'll be trying to cover this, and I'm going to ask you this. I mean, inside heap area, is there any special memory? Just imagine like heap area. Just let us think that this is HEAPAREA. This is heap area. Now inside, just let us think like this. This is heap area. Now inside heap area, there is one more special memory. There is one more special memory known as SCP. What do you mean by SCP? SCP means string constant pool. This memory is allocated only for string class objects. Why that is actually special for string class objects? Why that memory is allocated? Just wait for it, guys. Kindly please wait for it. Whenever we are discussing about string handling, at that time, I'll let you know. You just need to wait for it. Kindly please wait. Right. So yes, class area. Inside class area, what will be stored? Metadata of the class. Inside heap area, what will be stored? All the Java class objects will be stored inside heap area. Now, inside heap area, listen, concentrate. Inside heap area, there is one more special memory allocated only for string class objects, and that is known as SCP. SCP, that is string constant pool. Very important. SCP. Just wait for it. That's literally an amazing concept. Just wait for it. Okay. Right. Anyways, now stack area. Next concept is, next memory is stack area. Now, all right, guys, just let me try to have a small program. Let me have a small method, void method one. Now, just int a equal to 10. Okay, int b equal to 20. Okay, int c equal to a plus b. I'll do one thing. Int c equal to, just let me go with 20 plus a plus b, like this, and obviously just system.out.println. Let me go with c, and let me go with my main method. Now inside my main method, I'm just trying to create an object with the help of answer. Guys, come on. I want to create an object with the help of new keyword and initialize that object. Terminology. Guys, whenever I'm writing the code, you just try to get the code by yourself. You should say that. Okay. Right. Okay. Once again. Okay. I want to create an object. First, we need to write a new keyword. After that, we need to initialize that object with the help of a constructor, and constructor name will be same as class name. Okay. Just after that, I want to call my method one dot method one, like this. Right. Guys, everyone understand this program? Please respond. Online students, did you understand this program? Like, whenever I'm writing the code, are you able to understand this? Yes, that is great. For example, what is this? Yeah, that is correct. Come on, tell me, what is this? It is a method. Okay, what is the name of this method? What is the return type of this method? What is the access modifier of this method? Default. Are you able to analyze that? Okay, perfect. So right now, if I execute my program, and I'm pretty much damn sure you can say the output. Can you please tell me what is the output? We will be getting output as 50. As simple as it is. Okay. Now, my question is 10. Okay, int a equal to 10. Where this 10 will be stored? Where this 10 will be stored? In A. Yes or no? Okay. Where 20 will be stored? Answer. In B. Okay. Once again. Guys, where 10 will be stored? A. Where 20 will be stored? B. Where A plus B will be stored? No. Not in C. Guys, in C, 20 plus 30 will be stored in C. Now my question is, where is this value is getting stored? Stack area. Stack area means what will be stored inside stack area. Inside stack area. Guys, whenever we are executing a method, please listen to this. Listen. Very simple concept. Whenever we are, I repeat, whenever we are executing a method, that method needs some temporary memory to store its data or results, whatever the data which it is getting. So that temporary memory will be allocated inside the stack area. Am I clear with this? So once again, just let us try to write it like a small statement. Just a sec. Let me write. It provides temporary memory. It provides temporary memory to store the data and results from the method executions. So stack area, it provides a temporary memory to store the data and results from the method executions. As simple as it is. So once again, guys, what is class area? Like what is inside class area? What will be stored? Metadata of the class. What do you mean by metadata? Data about the data means complete information regarding your class will be stored inside class area. Heap area, guys, this is literally very important. Inside heap area, all the Java objects will be stored. So inside heap area, there is one more special memory known as SCP, that is string constant pool, which is allocated only for string class objects. String class objects. Now, when you're speaking about stack area, whenever you're executing a method, that method needs some temporary memory to store its data and results. That temporary memory will be allocated inside the stack area. As simple as this. Is it clear, guys? Right. Now, guys, please listen to this. In our Java, we are having a concept known as multi-threading. In Java, there is this concept known as multi-threading. What is the use of multi-threading? Yeah, guys, we'll be trying to cover this multi-threading concept almost after OOPS features. After completing OOPS features, we'll be understanding this multi-threading concept. But just now, I want to give you a small idea what is the use of multi-threading. Right. Multitasking. What do you mean by multitasking? Guys, multitasking means performing multiple tasks simultaneously at the same time by a single processor in order to optimize the utilization of CPU. Once again, multitasking means performing multiple tasks at the same time by a single processor in order to optimize the utilization of CPU. That is actually known as multitasking. Guys, still simple. In your mobile, you will be having an option like split screen. You see that? Like in one part of the screen, you can watch videos. In another part of the screen, you can like chat. I mean, you can send a message. That is nothing but multitasking. In Java, if we want to do this multitasking, we can do that in two ways. Process-based multitasking and thread-based multitasking. Process-based multitasking is most commonly known as multi-processing. Thread-based multitasking is most commonly known as multi-threading. So, what is the use of multi-threading? Multi-threading is used to perform multitasking. As simple as this. Am I clear with this? Once again, multi-threading. Multi-threading is used to perform multitasking. Enough, enough, not more than that. Now, my question is, sir, in this program, okay, just let me try to write system.out.println. Simply, I'm going with hello w or LD. Hello world. In this program, is there any thread? Sir, I mean, how can we say that? Up to now, we did not cover anything related to multi-threading. Basically, we don't know what is a thread, how to create a thread. I mean, we can't imagine that. Okay, I understand. I understand. No problem. My question is, in this program, is there a thread? That is actually my question. So, yeah, I understand. You will not be able to answer it. Why? Because up to now, we did not covered anything related to multi-threading. Okay, let me remove this semicolon. I am removing a semicolon and now I am trying to execute. I want you to read. Please read. Exception. Where is the exception? In answer. What is the name of the thread? Main method is a thread. Main method is a thread. Am I clear with this? So, guys, I mean, please don't make it complicated. Just very simple, very, very simple. Just think like as of now, I want you to imagine a method as a thread. Just imagine a method as a thread. In your program, if you are having 3 methods, 3 threads. In your program, if you are having 5 methods, 5 threads. Just as of now, kindly please do imagine like this. Am I clear with this? I mean, why? Because we did not cover anything related to multi-threading, and I know like it's very hard to understand that. So as of now, for our understanding purpose, I want you to imagine method as a thread. As simple as it is. Now, register. Guys, I believe you already familiar with attendance register. Hey, son, no, yaar. In attendance register, what they will maintain? Log files. For example, in our company, we will be having login time and log off time. Yes or no? In which time we have logged in into the server and which time we logged out from the server. We will be having login time and log off time. That is maintained as log files. Log files. Still simple. In ATM, if you're trying to withdraw, like if you're trying to check mini statement, you'll be having last 6 or last 10 transactions, right? Those details are known as logs. L-O-G. Log files. Are you able to understand me? Right. Now, in a Java program, guys, please listen to this. Please listen to this. In a Java program, at a particular point of time, which thread is executing that log files will be maintained in PC registers. PC means program counter register. Once again, PC means program counter register. Register means it is going to maintain some data, some log files. Are you understanding me here, guys? So in this PC registers, what will be maintained, at a particular point of time, which thread is executing in your program, that entire details will be maintained inside program counter registers. As simple as it is, not more than that. Guys, simple here. Just remember like this. In PC registers, it is going to maintain log files of thread executions. Dot. Enough. Am I clear with this? Very simple. Just please observe here. It maintains log files of log log files of THRE thread EXECUTIONS thread executions. That's it. Not more than that. Not more than that. At a particular point of time, which thread is executing, which method is executing, that entire logs will be maintained inside PC registers. As simple as this. More information related to threads we will be trying to cover whenever we are dealing with multi-threading. I know, it's a little bit hard to imagine. I know that. Kindly please wait for that. Now, let us have a small, very, very small and a quick recap. Once again, how many memory areas are there inside JVM? Answer. First one, class area. Inside class area, what will be stored? Meta. What do you mean by metadata? Data about the data. Okay, inside heap area, what will be stored? All the Java class objects will be stored inside the heap area. Don't see the board. Don't see the board. Just try to answer. Inside heap area, all the Java class objects will be stored. Inside heap area, is there any special memory? What is the name of that? SCP, that is string constant pool, that is allocated only for storing string class objects. String class objects. Okay. After that, we discussed about stack area. Inside stack area, like it is going to provide temporary memory to store the data and results which we got from a method execution. And after that, PC registers. What do you mean by PC? Program counter registers. So program counter registers, this particular memory is going to store, is going to maintain log files of thread executions. Dot. Enough. Up to now, is it clear, guys? Online students, kindly please respond. Online students, kindly please respond. Up to now, is it clear, guys? Up to now, is it clear? Yes, yes. Kindly please respond. Please respond. Perfect. Yes, that is great. That is great. That is great. All right. All right. Now, native method stacks. Native method stacks. Okay. Guys, before understanding these native method stacks, I want to give you an idea about what are native methods. What are native methods? Okay. Okay. Abhishek, no, hang on. Siddharth, wait for it. I mean, just as of now, I want you to remember like thread as a method. Enough. Please don't go for more. Why? Because a lot of concepts are yet to be covered if you want to understand multi-threading. Okay, Siddharth? As of now, thread means it's a method. That's it. Not more than that. Not more than that. Right. Okay. Okay. Now, native method stacks. Right. So, guys, before understanding what are these native method stacks, right now, I want to give you an idea about native methods. What are native methods? Guys, don't write. Are you writing? Don't write. Wait. Once the explanation is completed, try to write the answer by your own. Please don't write. Just enjoy the class. Listen first. First listen. Right. Now, native methods. Before understanding native method stack, we should be having an idea about native methods. What are native methods? Guys, please listen. The methods which are not written in Java. Once again. What are native methods? Native methods. The methods which are not written in Java, but those are used in Java are known as native methods. Sir, once again. Yep, understand. Let me go for once again. What are native methods? The methods which are not written in Java. Sir, if those are not written in Java, in which language they have written? Those are written in traditional programming languages like C and C++. In our Java language, we will use methods which are already present in C and C++. Those methods are known as native methods. Once again, What are native methods? What are native methods? The methods which are not written in Java, but those are used in Java are known as native methods. And all those native methods are present in a special memory allocated inside the method stacks. As simple as this. Am I clear with this? Sir, just let us try to give some examples for native methods. Right. Guys, in applets, did you remember the word applets? AWTs, applets, swings, GUI applications, desktop applications here. Every method present in applet is a native method. Every method present in applet is a native method actually. So those methods are not written in Java. Those methods are written in another programming languages. That is the only reason outdated. They got replaced with UI technologies. Am I clear with this? So once again, what are native methods? The methods which are not written in Java, but those are used in Java are known as native methods. And all those native methods are present inside a special memory allocated inside the JVM known as a native method stack. So just let me try to write like a small point here. I just want to write that statement here also. The methods which are not written in Java, but those are used in Java are known as native methods. And these native methods are present inside this native method stack. Just let me try to write like this. The methods which are not written in Java, but those are used in Java are known as native methods, and these native methods are present inside this native method stack. I hope it's clear, guys, for everyone. Is it clear? Right. Now let us go with execution engine. Now, in execution engine, there are two components are there. Just a sec. Right. In execution engine, there are two components are there. First one is interpreter and second one is garbage collector. Now, what is the work of this interpreter? Very important interview point of view question. Please listen to this clearly. Very simple. Please listen to this clearly. Guys, yes, if we want to see the output of our Java program, I repeat. Guys, are you listening? Is it boring? Am I clear with this? Right. Once again. If we want to see the output of our Java program, how many tasks we need to do? Everyone, what are those? Compilation and running. Be active. Black shirt. Be active. Once again. If we want to see the output of our Java program, how many tasks we need to do? 2 tasks. What are those? Compilation and running. Compilation will be taken care by the Java compiler. Do you know the command for compilation? What is it? Java C space file name dot Java. After successful compilation, what will be generated? Can we understand the dot class file? Hang on. Who is going to understand that? Machine, JVM, right? Now listen to this. In JVM, we will be having a component known as interpreter. In JVM, we will be having this component known as interpreter. What interpreter will be doing, it will convert bytecode instructions into machine understandable code. Sir, actually bytecode is understandable by machine. Not exactly. Guys, you know that JVM is platform dependent. Am I right or wrong? Yes or no? Java is platform independent, but JVM is platform dependent. So, whenever you are trying to run your Java program, the bytecode instructions which are present in your .class file will be converted into machine understandable code by the interpreter. Machine means, for example, if you are using Windows operating system, so you will be having Windows JVM. That bytecode instructions will be converted into Windows JVM understandable format by the interpreter. If you are using Linux JVM, that bytecode will be converted into Linux understandable format by the interpreter. Are you understanding me here, guys? Interpreter is going to convert bytecode instructions into machine understandable code. And it is going to check with each and every line of your code. Interpreter will interact with the every line which is present in your code. That is the only reason Java is highly interpreted. Highly interpreted. That is the work of the interpreter. Just let me try to write like a small statement like this. Just hang on. Just a small statement like this. So, whoa, hang on. Yes, this component reads the bytecode instructions and executes them in a sequential manner. Means line by line, it is going to read the bytecode instructions. Whenever it is reading, it is going to convert them into machine understandable, language. Am I clear with this? Right, right. Online students, can you please respond? Is this concept clear, guys? Online students, please respond. Please respond. Is this concept clear? Interpreter. What interpreter is going to do? What interpreter is going to do? Interpreter. Once again, I am saying you, Satya, please concentrate. Please concentrate. Interpreter is going to convert bytecode instructions which are present in the .class file into machine understandable language. Dot. That's it. Not more than that. Is it clear, guys? Right, right. Now, garbage collector. Right. Guys, personally, garbage collector is one of my favorite feature in Java. This is one of the superpowers of Java. Garbage collector. Trust me when I'm saying this. Okay. Generally, what is the use of this garbage collector? Okay. Guys, in your mobile, did you ever deleted some messages or else videos, image files? Yes or no? Generally, why we will be deleting? To storage purpose. Am I right or wrong? If our storage is full, okay, we need to browse, we need to check which we don't need, which we want. We need to keep our important files, and unwanted files we'll be trying to delete them. Yes, it is such a hectic process. Am I right or wrong? We need to choose, we need to select which one we need, which one we don't need. We need to select. If there are 500 images in your mobile, how much time it is going to take for you to sort them? 1 hour, 2 hours? Nearly, yes or no? We will be opening an image, we will be checking whether we need it or not. If we don't need it, we'll be trying to delete it. Generally, you will be facing this situation whenever you are trying to delete WhatsApp images or else WhatsApp videos. We are not sure which image we need, right? Imagine if we are having the same procedure for the objects which we are creating. Once again, I repeat, you know that, guys, please concentrate. You know that we can create any number of objects in our program. Yes or no? Okay, in a program, I'm trying to create 100 objects. Where these objects will be stored? That is correct. That is correct. Where these objects will be stored? Inside the heap area. So whenever you are trying to create an object, again, if you need to destroy them, it will be like a huge hectic process. If you are not destroying them, heap memory will be filled up. Yes or no? But in this particular situation, we no need to worry. Why? Because in every Java program, in the background of every Java program, there is a guardian angel which will be monitoring the Java program. And that guardian angel is garbage collector. What this garbage collector is going to do, garbage collector will be working in the background of every Java program, and it is going to destroy all unused or unreferenced objects from the heap area. Once again, what is the work of garbage collector? Garbage collector, once again, guys, please concentrate. Garbage collector is going to work in the background of every Java program. It will be working in the background of every Java program. And what it is going to do, it is going to destroy all unused or unreferenced objects from the where? From the heap area. Now, basically, what do you mean by garbage collection? Guys, there is a separate concept. Garbage collection is completely separate concept. We'll be trying to cover that. But as of now, kindly please do remember. Please listen, guys. Please listen. Garbage collection. I'm speaking about garbage collection. Garbage collection means, please listen. Guys, are you listening? It is a process of, once again, garbage collection. Garbage collection means it is a process of reacquiring the heap space. Once again, what do you mean by garbage collection? Garbage collection is a process of reacquiring the heap space, reacquiring the heap area by destroying all unused or unreferenced objects. We are getting back the heap area. For example, you are having 50 GB of space. Completely 50 GB is filled up. It is a process of reacquiring that 50 GB. Are you understanding me, guys? Once again, garbage collection. Garbage collection. I am not speaking about garbage collector. I am speaking about garbage collection. What do you mean by garbage collection? Garbage collection means it is a process of reacquiring the heap space. Okay, how? By destroying all unused or unreferenced objects from the heap area. Okay, who is going to do this? Garbage collector. Are you understanding the concept here, guys? So once again, what is the use of garbage collector? Garbage collector is going to destroy all unused or unreferenced objects from the perfect. As simple as this. Am I clear with this? So what is a garbage collector? How it is going to destroy? Which algorithm it is going to use? Hold your horses. Just please wait for it. We'll be trying to discuss that. Up to now, is it clear, guys? Just let me just try to write like this. Just a small statement. Garbage collector will be working in the background of every Java program, which is responsible for destroying all unused or unreferenced objects from the heap area. Garbage collector will be working in the background of every Java program, which is responsible for destroying all unused or unreferenced objects from the heap area. Online students, can unreferenced. unreferenced objects from the heap area. Online students, can you please respond? Is this concept clear, guys? Did you understand the concept of garbage collector? Online students, can you please respond, guys? Please respond. Please respond. Yes. 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 Please respond. That is great. That is great. Right. So, guys, simple here. What garbage collector is going to do? Garbage collector will destroy all the unused objects, all the unreferenced objects from the heap area. Dot. Enough. Not more than that. Is it clear, guys? Please, please. Now go ahead. Please try to write it. How many you remember? Try to write it by your own. How many you understand? Try to write it by your own, please. The notes will be on the screen, but I request you to please try to write it. Frame your own sentences. Please try to frame your own sentences. Go ahead. Class loader. Please frame your own sentences. Please don't blindly copy paste. Frame your own sentences. What you know, what you understood, try to write it. Please don't worry about grammatical mistakes. Just ignore them. Concentrate on the concept. What you know, what you listen, what you understand. Try to use your own words and try to write them. Online students, please make sure you are also writing. Boys, concentrate on the class, please. Kashinath, you're asking me initialization means assigning values or allocating memory. Kashinath, initialization means as a programmer, we are assigning the value. Whatever the value which we are assigning, for that value, memory will be allocated by the JVM. So it's a hypothetical question, Kashinath. I hope you're understanding me. I cannot say only assigning a value. I cannot say only allocating a memory. It's both actually. Is it clear, buddy? Great. Once again, I'm requesting you, please try to frame your own sentences. Don't copy paste. If you are getting it out, then check. Listen, understand the concept, try to write it in your own sentences. If you are getting it out, then you can see it. No issues. Kaushik, yes. And guys, yesterday I asked you a small question like 7 o'clock class. No, I'm keeping our class timing as 7:30 only. A lot of people requested me by 7:30, and our class will be by 7:30 only. Okay, I'll not be moving the timing. A lot of people requested me 7:30. Some people are working, some people are already working, and some are already attending Oracle class. I understand, so it's okay. 7:30. Our class will be by 7:30. Roopshri, can it be for 7:45? Then my wife will leave me. No, 7:30 enough, guys. Come on. Please, first right, first right. Come on, come on. Completed. How many are writing? Raise your hands, please. Please raise, please raise. Whoa, down, down. Guys, if I say completed, please raise your hand. If you are writing, raise your hand. Then I can understand. Okay, you guys are writing. Okay, just raise. Don't think about others. You just raise your hand. Enough. Please write. Take time. Take time. It's okay. Take time. No problem. Take time. Guys, did you revise yesterday? Did you revise yesterday? Is alarm there 10:30? What you did? Switched off and continuing your work? Please, every day revise. Every day revise. Make it as a habit. Every day revise. Without revising, don't go to sleep. Please revise. Revise. If you are making a call to your friend, try to explain what are the concepts which happen in our class. Just try to explain. If you are speaking with your parents, try to explain. No problem. Nothing will happen. That is also revision. Just revise. Just revise. Without revising, please don't go to sleep. Right. 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 You should revise. Abhishek, you should revise. Yeah. Kaushik, example for native method, you can take notify method as an example for native methods. The method name is notify method. Okay. In our coming classes, we will be using these native methods also. We'll be using these native methods also in our programs. I'll let you know. Just wait for it. Wait for it. 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes. Guys, kindly please don't get confused between compiler and interpreter. The work of compiler is to convert Java code into byte code. The work of interpreter is to convert byte code into machine understandable code. Please don't get confused. One more minute. Completed. Completed. Done. Done. Okay. Now, guys, please keep your side heading as. Please keep your side heading as difference between JVM, JRE, JDK. Difference between JVM, JRE, and JDK. Could you please have this diagram for me, please? Difference between JVM, JRE, and JDK. First, write the structure. After that, I'll try to zoom it. First, write the structure like boxes. I'll zoom it. I'll zoom it, please. First, write the box. After that, I'll zoom it. Just try to have the structure first. Yeah, I'll zoom it. Wait. I'll zoom it. Wait. Inside JRE, you will be having JVM and set of libraries like predefined classes. Predefined classes. Inside JDK, you will be having JRE and tools, development tools. JDK. Once again, inside JDK, Java Development Kit means that is a software which you have downloaded. That's a software which you have downloaded from Oracle. So inside JDK, you will be having JRE, Java Runtime Environment, and tools, compiler, debugger, some tools. And inside JRE, Java Runtime Environment, you will be having JVM and libraries, set of class files, predefined classes. In JVM, you will be having how many memory areas are there? 5 memory areas. Come on, guys. How many memory areas are there? 5 memory areas are there, right? Now, guys, in simple, if you face this question, what is the difference between JVM, JRE, JDK? Please note down. JDK equal to JDK equal to JRE plus development tools. JDK equal to JRE, that is Java runtime environment plus development tools. Enough. JRE equal to JVM plus libraries to run the application. Predefined classes. JRE equal to JVM plus libraries to run the application. JVM equal to 5 memory areas plus 5 memory areas plus interpreter plus JIT. JIT compiler. JIT. Just in time compiler. Just in time compiler. Dot. Enough. Now, what is this? Right. Guys, JDK. JDK means JRE plus tools, like the software which you have downloaded. Inside that software, you will be having JRE, Java runtime environment, and tools. In JRE, you will be having JVM and some set of predefined classes. In JVM, you will be having 5 memory areas, which we had covered. And interpreter, yes, just now we had covered. What is the use of interpreter? Interpreter is going to convert bytecode instructions into machine code. And then we are having just-in-time compiler, JIT compiler, JIT. What is the use of this JIT compiler? It is going to enhance the process which is done by the JVM. Just-in-time compiler is going to enhance the process which is done by the JVM. Dot. Enough. As simple as this. So what is the use of just-in-time compiler? As just-in-time compiler is there, once again, as just-in-time compiler is there, which acts as a component inside the JVM, the process which is done by the JVM will be increased. Means it will be done in a much more faster manner. That's it. Not more than that. As simple as this. Am I clear with this? Right. So guys, yes. Now, please tell me. Internal architecture of JVM. Please. Internal architecture of JVM. First, we need to discuss about class loader. Do you know class loader? How many actions will be done by the class loader? Answer. What are those? Loading, linking, initialization. When you're speaking about initialization, what it is going to initialize? Come on. Class loader is going to initialize what? Static variables. Hey, come on, guys. Yes or no? Once again, I'm not speaking about loading. I'm not speaking about linking. I'm speaking about initialization. Yes, class loader is going to perform 3 actions: loading, linking, initialization. What it is going to initialize? Static variables. Dot. Enough. Now, JVM. How many memory areas are there inside JVM? What are those? Class area, heap area, stack area, PC registers, and native method stack. Which methods are known as native methods? The methods which are not written in Java, but those are used in Java are known as native methods. All these native methods are present inside a special memory known as native method stacks. Okay. Inside the class area, what will be stored? Metadata of the class. What do you mean by metadata? Data about the data. Inside heap area, what will be stored? All the Java class objects will be stored. Inside heap area, there is one more special memory allocated only for string class objects. And what is that memory known as? SCP, string constant pool. Okay, inside PC registers, sorry, inside stack area. So stack area is going to provide a temporary memory for storing the data and results. PC registers, that is program counter register. Once again, program counter register. It is going to maintain the log files of thread executions. And guys, kindly please tell me, what do you mean by garbage collection? It is a process of reacquiring the heap area. How? By destroying all unused or unreferenced objects. Who is going to do that? Garbage collector. Garbage collector will be working in the background of every Java program. Dot. Am I clear with this? Now, after that, we discussed about what is the difference between JVM, JRE, JDK. And kindly please do remember, JIT is a component which is present inside the JVM, right? Inside JDK means JDK equal to JRE plus tools. Some tools. JRE equal to JVM plus classes like compile class, predefined classes. So JVM equal to all the 5 memory locations plus interpreter plus just in time compiler. Dot. Up to now, is it clear, guys, for everyone? That's it, guys. That's it for today. That's it for today. That's it for this week. And guys, Merry Christmas. Advance Merry Christmas. And on occasion of Christmas, tomorrow we are having a holiday. What? That's what our management told you. That's what I'm trying to say to you. So take a break, enjoy holiday, have a fantastic weekend, and please don't forget to revise. I'm requesting you, revise. And every Sunday, you will be getting a quiz question. You will be having a quiz question in Instagram. One quiz question will be there. So I know this is, we are just in the starting days of our classes, but just try to execute that program in the Eclipse. Whenever we are dealing that concept, you will be remembering this. Okay. And a word of hint, tomorrow, the quiz question will be related to SCP, string constant pool. If you know that concept, then you will understand, then you will be able to give the correct answer, and we'll be trying to cover that concept whenever we're dealing with string handling. All right. That's it, guys. That's it. Thank you. Thank you for listening. See you on Monday. Thank you. Online students, I hope it's clear, guys, for everyone. Right. John, wait for some time. John, just-in-time compiler is a component which is present inside the JVM body, which will enhances the process of